pull up under the stars since they throwing all the shade on us. Facts. Woo.
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you're going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh.
What's up, y'all? We are back with another video. Y'all see that? Y'all see how crusty? Can y'all hear it? Listen. Look. Oh my God, it's so crusty.
You watching that rest of the night? Because I'm not.
Okay.
That's a new internet. It's going to be high speed. Try it.
Okay, it's outside the road, ain't it?
No, I got a TV commercial ago.
It's a huge net.
Uh-uh.
If it's huge net, we can't.
It's not huge net.
Well, I can't do it. I can call them tomorrow.
Oh.
They probably be closed tonight, won't they? Well, what time is it?
I don't know, but sit down.
This girl in here trying to get high-speed internet. Like, bitch. Oh, shit. Alright, real quick. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, so I ain't blow drying it because I don't feel like it. Look at all that. Putting it in the damn ponytail, whatever. Woo! My scalp be itchy right there in the middle. Cause I've been wearing that ponytail for so long. That feels so good, bitch. My nigga, that feel good. A little of this. What the fuck is that? Let me back up some so y'all can see a real nigga. Y'all, my shirt is inside out. And it's backwards. My hair in the ponytail first, and then I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm doing with it. That fuck always in my damn business. Y'all worry about what the fuck I'm doing. Alright. Keep an update. I cut my hair again 4 months ago. And this is the growth in 4 months. If you want to say. Ponytail. Popping. You need plenty of Echo Styler gel. Now, since my hair is shorter, I find it easier that this works on my hair. I'll leave like a little circle in my hair. As y'all can see, zoom in. Let's zoom in if I'm a little close. You see how I leave that little circle and I leave all that around? That helps me grip that little part in the middle since my hair ain't that long. And that's what keeps it sturdy. Then I'm going to show you how I do the rest. Now we're going to comb this. That's if y'all watch my videos. If not, subscribe. Gorilla Snot. Forgot to show y'all which one I use too. This is what I use for my edges majority of the time, but I'm just gonna use. Oh my God, that got on my damn counter. All right, let me stop before I mess up. Oh my God. Okay. Put a little on that so it can be a little sticky. We get all this damn hair. I said all this damn hair like I meant all the little hair I got into the other little band. Oh, you see that hump? We gotta fix that. I do not like that. Don't break, Lord Jesus, don't break. Okay. Oh, we did. Bitch. I'm gonna be doing today, y'all. Boy, when nobody talking to you? Thumbnail. 1 pack. but the large ones look good. So I think they got like, it's 20 strands in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them in half so that way they could be shorter. So I have 40, so that's way more than enough strands for just a ponytail. And say 20 strands. It's medium curl pattern, and it's a color 1B. I did want that color, but they didn't have it because my hair is like a 27. They didn't have none. I'm like, what the fuck? You look on the back, this is the medium pattern. Then they had the small, then they had the large, which I didn't get. But we good. So you'll need this crochet needle. Bitch, this shit was $1.69. I'm like, this better crochet to the gods.
I put my scarf around just to hold that up until.
Ooh, it's so bouncy. Little latch here. Boom. Pop. Leave it open. Start like right in here. Then you take the hair down the middle. Latch it on to the hair. Close the latch. Pull it through. Then when you do that, find the little holes through. Just here. Take the hair, pull it through. Voila. Okay guys, so here I'm just gonna show a couple of clips of how I just went around the little ponytail in the middle. I just kept the hair. I cut all the hair in half and just using all half pieces. And as you can see, I'm just going in a circle, moving in the front. I'm moving more towards the front of my hair. And in the back, I'm moving more towards the back. And on the sides, moving more down the sides, you know, just to create that full pony look. And as you can see, just keep adding all the way around. And that's how you get the big poof look. And I'm just going to take the scarf off. And this is the rest of the hair. That's just one pack in my head now. As you can see, I'm cutting it down the middle. And just want to keep going and going. And then you create that full look. I took my scarf off, guys, too, of course, so I can reach or get into where the parts that were covered. That's mainly why I did that. Of course, that's common sense. Duh. And as you can see here, I'm brushing it out just because I don't like all the coils. I like my hair bushy and curly. So that's why you can see here. And I always cut off the ends. The unwanted hair. And just keep poofing it and messing with it until you get it how you like it. I mean, like I said, I like mine to be a little more natural looking. So that's why I left it into a little poof. A little afro curl. A little curly afro. I know some of y'all mad at me like, why did you do that? But feel free if you want to leave the hair like that. My guy, feel free. And as you can see, this is the back. It's completely full. I only use one pack of hair, guys. And now you can't see the little ball in the middle. And I'm just doing my edges, guys. I am not good with doing my edges. So do not judge. Lead not judge unto. All right, let me stop playing. I started off with Echo Styler Gel. Then I ended off using the Gorilla Glue. That's a Gorilla Glue. The Gorilla Snot stuff. And don't pick on my edges, y'all. I try. Shit. I don't know how to do that. I try. Clean it up. Okay, I wipe that off on the side. I was about to say. That just looked nasty. And yep. I am done, y'all. So I'm just gonna wrap my world famous head wrap. We're just gonna wrap it and keep the edges touching clean. Oh my god, that is so racist. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, y'all, we are back, and I'm just gonna show y'all how this looks. Woo! Ooh, I felt them edges crisp up. They better not have, cause I felt it. Okay. I mean, whatever. I don't know. Some people like, why you do this one edge this way? It don't matter. I ain't going nowhere. This is the finished product, y'all. I like my hair bushy. I know y'all probably like, why you mess up them curls like that? But it's your choice. If you wanted to leave it like the first way I had it, without it being bushy or whatnot, then I'm sorry, y'all. I could do this all day fucking with my hair. I'm sorry. But if you wanted to leave it curly like it was at first, would be my guess. But I like my hair curly, bushy, if you want to say. So, y'all, what you think? Y'all, where that back? I threw it in the trash can. Anyway, $6.99 for a full hairstyle, and it's a protective style. It's just like a little bun right here, but it don't hurt. Ain't no bobby pin sticking in your scalp. Ain't no hard braids, nothing. So it's an awesome protective style, guys, and I will take super advantage of it. Well, let me. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. Thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe down below. Like, comment, other hairstyles you want me to do. Guys, I need y'all to subscribe to my channel. I have 36, I think 40 subscribers now. I had this page for like a month. So am I getting like 1 subscriber per day? Oh, no. So that means I have to wait a whole year just to get like 365, I think. We don't need that to happen. Come on, y'all. Let's get it cracking. Like I said, 2019, I'm not coming to play with y'all. I need to get my nails done. I need earrings. By God. Nella P, say bye. Okay. Whatever the fuck. Talk about her if you want to. Alright, y'all. See y'all in the next video.
It's the motherfucking hoe. Not around my hip, yeah, I'm really about to blow. Got your bitch around me and she twerking like a hoe. She throw that ass back, baby girl, I'm tryna poke. Gang with me, so you know it's time to go. Fat nigga dripping, I be really fucking hoe. I pull up in the mic, tryna fuck a thotty hoe. And if you ain't gang, I ain't fucking with you hoe. She gon' throw it back.